air filter, and coolant. Super easy, super quick video. Hang on, you'll see. Welcome to Go Far with Brent. I'm Brent. Like I said in the intro, right now we're going to check the air filter and coolant. It's a pretty quick check. This will be a pretty short video. So let me reposition the camera. We'll take a look. All right, here we are on the right-hand side of the bike. We're going to check the coolant, and then we'll check the air filter. The reservoir on Fiona is on the right-hand pod. It's just held in with two plastic clips. Plastic trim tool. Make quick work of it. I guess I could probably dig my fingers in there, but so there's 1, 2, 3 plastic clips that goes in 3 plastic holes. Fluid level, as you can see, I don't know how well you can see, there's a line right there. So she's right up to the top. She doesn't use any coolant. There was an issue when I first bought her with warranty where there was a leak, but since then she's been fine. All right, let's put that back on. Now for the air filter. All right, here we are with the air filter. The cover is a 5/16 Allen wrench. Pretty straightforward. The cover just lifts off. Held in by 3 torque screws. They are T27. It's not unusual to see a little bit of oil here. That's nothing to be worried about. What we're looking at is the cleanliness of the element. So this element's looking pretty dirty. I think I'm going to have to go ahead and buy a new one. I'll go ahead and order that. I didn't have it ahead of time because I didn't think I'd need one, but yeah, it's going to need a new one. So I'll go ahead and order that. This PCV valve tubing goes into a hole on the back side that feeds it into there. And then it's held in place by these 2 posts. So install a new one, place that in, and feed it all the way in. That sits up in completely. And then you reinstall the 3 screws. Next, we'll put the cover back on. Wow, that air filter was in pretty rough shape. Far worse than I thought it was. 5,000 miles ago, it didn't look quite that dirty, so I'm glad that I'm going to replace it. At the time of this video, I hadn't actually bought it. I'll put it in later. As you saw when I put it back together, it's not that difficult. The coolant level was fine. One thing to keep in mind, though, is if it is low and you do need to add, you should use Harley Davidson brand coolant. But in my case, we're in good shape. So that covers a pretty easy task at 35,000 miles. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Hit the bell. You'll be notified of more content. And as always, thanks for watching. Go Far with Brent.